So, all right, I'm gonna do a quick little Walmart, see if I can do a Walmart pickup for the day. But it was 22 bucks at Walmart. I love it. And I found the Samsung Pro Buds. Rosco's breakfast. This is my coffee. I sit here and read and watch my YouTube friends some mornings and do my miracle morning routine as much as I can sitting down. It's been really cold here, so I brought my flowers in. They're still sitting here in the kitchen. Rosco's eating his pedigree, and I put a little bit of cooked chicken with it, but he loves that. I did give him some grain-free kibbles this morning, but he barely touched it. And usually I try to save this for his dinner, but he just didn't eat much yesterday, and he is really hungry, so he was going to the cupboard for more. Okay, I did get a sweatshirt on. I still have my same shirt on, and I just threw on some jeans and my comfy little shoes. I can hardly reach this up there. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's probably why my back hurts. And I love this case that I hauled from Walmart for 22 bucks. I replaced my really expensive one I got at Best Buy when I bought my phone. And that one was like $50. So I was really skeptical about spending $22 because it was an OtterBox. This is I don't even know what brand, but it was 22 bucks at Walmart. I love it. And I did end up putting another pop socket on it. So the other thing I showed you guys a while back on a haul were these JLab thingies. The thingies, you know, the earbuds, but they have the over-the-ear hook, and they were $30. And now I love these. They don't have the best sound. They don't. They're a little bit of a tinny sound, but they stay on for music. But they stay on, and I can get on the treadmill, and I can move around the house. I can talk on the phone, use them for a microphone. I really, really like these, and they were $29. But during the Amazon sale, early access sale, I found the Samsung Pro Buds for $112. That's a steal because they were $200 at Best Buy, and then on sale I saw them for $149. I told John maybe because I wear them a lot, maybe I should invest in a good pair with a good sound. So I did. I bought these, 112 bucks. They work great. I haven't had to upload an app on my phone to use them with my phone, but the sound is amazing. The problem is they don't stay in my ear. I was talking to a friend of mine walking along, and I sneezed and they fell out. There's no way I would feel comfortable wearing these to the gym. Maybe I'm just not used to them, or I'm not putting them in right. So I just got my Walmart order placed just under $100, and because I still have tons of food in my fridge that we are eating up from the challenge, and I have no meal plan because we're eating all that. It's actually pretty awesome. I have not cooked in days. So one of my least favorite things to do is to unload the silverware out of my dishwasher. Like, I really don't like doing this at all, but it has to be done.
Oh no, with your words on repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down, and then you into my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound.
I did change into, I put a white shirt on. Same sweatshirt though. These are technically, I don't know, people think they're slippers, but I bought them at Bass Pro, and they are so comfortable. They're hard sole, and they count for shoes. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, I might wear these all day. But John called, I was talking to him on the phone while I was cleaning my stove, and my stove was a mess after all that food challenge, so it's so much better, so much better. Comet and Mr. Clean have become my new best friends, or not Mr. Clean. I like Mr. Clean, but the Windex, the all-purpose, because I can use it on everything. I took a clip just before the weather got bad, and I cleaned the windows with that new Windex cleaner.
Don't know if I can take another go round.
It actually worked really well. I'm happy with it. It's very sturdy, and the little thing that comes with it does, like, it's a little pad that you put on there, and it'll do like quite a bit of windows, it says. So I just stored it back in a Ziploc bag, and I'll reuse it. But I also tried putting paper towels and Windex on it. That worked good too. So I just had to use some rubber bands to tie it around. So, all right, switch to my tennis shoes.
You feel misunderstood. Say what's the remedy? We'd be like minded if we could, but that's not the case. Oh, the wind will turn. Don't be concerned. Oh, I can learn. When we end the exciting games, and we don't pull on both ways, we can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it.
John went in. He went to get some steak. So this is my haul. John actually got these from Sam's Club. So these are, that's a lot. But I saved all that money last week. So on groceries, got some more of my killer bread. This is all Halloween candy. And hopefully John and I will not eat it. And some Gala apples. The one item I got in the Walmart pickup for myself, I couldn't believe. I couldn't pass it up. It's a Happy Bee. Haven't got a new mug in a while. And honestly, this might end up being a gift. So that's what that's for. Got some more fudgesicles. We got that from Sam's Club, the Havarti Gouda cheese. This was from Walmart. I got some more eggs. I got some more creamer. Just put that over there. Couple of sugar-free and one not sugar-free. Got some bananas. I got an avocado. I'm going to slice this up for that rice and chipotle bowl. And then I got a couple of cans of this healthy cream of mushroom condensed soup, because I would have liked to have gotten the chicken, but they didn't have the chicken, but they did have the mushroom. So this is just going to be for cooking, and I've seen people cooking with it, and I thought, I'm going to give it a shot. This is our Sam's Club. John went in and he got chips, and these are for when we entertain, except we do eat the boulders chips, but a lot of this stuff we just do for entertainment. We like to have it on hand. I'll chew things of the boulder chips, and then he bought some of this, and then we do like a happy hour kind of thing with our friends, you know, and Okay, this is, we like to keep this soup on hand, and it's getting cooler, and sometimes just hot soup sounds good. So this is for our pantry. Stocked up on Roscoe's food. I didn't mean to. I thought I was just, I didn't know I was ordering 3. So Roscoe is, he's set for a while. This is also Halloween candy, and I'm already eyeballing those Tootsie Rolls in there. These are the breads I bought, pizzas. These are walnut with raisins. These are frozen, and they will go in the freezer for Thanksgiving. So this is also what I got for us. I got some of this hot chili. I mean, this stuff is the best chili you will ever have. No kidding. And they make it there. They also make cookies. They have peanut butter cookies here and chocolate chip cookies. These are so good. And then these are the chili chicken tamales I bought. And this is going to be for our dinner. And we're going to pour a little bit of the salsa on it. So maybe with some brown rice. So I'll show you guys that when I get it plated. When we're going to eat here soon. And John surprised me with these when he came out from Sam's Club. These are beautiful. They smell beautiful, and I'm going to put them in a vase. So that's what's for dinner. I heated up some of that brown rice I had left over with a little bit of this hot salsa. Heated it up and served it with the chicken tamales. Chicken chili. And my flowers are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Well, that's gonna be a day. Did you like those tamales?
Oh yeah, they were good.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever had that the chicken ones. I've had the other, but they were really delicious. And that hot that salsa that said medium was actually pretty hot.
Yeah,
I liked.
He likes really hot, but it said medium. It just said fire roasted though, so I thought it's gonna be hot, but I didn't notice it said medium. So he said, "Oh, this is only the medium." But you said you're kind of glad I didn't get the hot.
Yeah, I mean,
So-
you can always have too hot where you don't taste the food, and this had just enough bite to it to give it some flavor and give you a little bit of heat.
Yeah. So, and let's see. We were trying to figure out what to watch tonight. It's our weekend.
Yeah.
So we were going to chill out. The tamales were really good. That little store that I went to it has a lot of Italian stuff, but it also has Mexican stuff. So
Yeah.
yeah, but
A
it's
little variety of.
yeah, but everything's made right there, and they ship all around everywhere. They ship all over the country. So they have really good like pizzelles and pizzas. So we're just getting some of our stuff and putting it in the freezer, so we don't have to mess with it later. But prices were up a bit this year.
Like everything else.
Like everything else. But yeah. All right. Well, that's going to be our vlog today. I hope you guys are doing well. Did you want to say anything?
No. Ready for the weekend.
Ready for the weekend. Cheers.
Salute.
Salute. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take good care, and I'll see you on the next one, and maybe he will too.
Yeah, I'll be viewing from the side.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.